If you're a person who uses tools including screwdriver, then you should know the importance of a great set of bits for impact driver. Different types of bits help you get various types of job done easily. If you have an impact driver, then you should consider a set of bits those are sturdy and easy to use. We have looked for some brands which are premium in quality and will give you freedom while you work. In this video, you will be watching 5 best sets of bits for impact drivers. We are so certain that you'll find the right one from this list. The set comes with 40 pieces of different bits for various purposes. This patented beadbird design of DEWALT bead set allows easy removal of bits and customizable placement. Clear lid of the driver bead set allows you to easily see content at glance. CNC machined bead tip for precise fitting screw heads for reducing cam out. Magnetic screw lock sleeve minimizes drops and reduces wobbles. Jackson Palmer brings you 218 pieces of bit including nut drivers, torques, security bits, slotted, Phillips, posy, square, socket, hex and other specialty bits in commonly used sizes. It also includes magnetic bit holder and quick change adapter for fast and easy switching between sizes. All bits are made of high-grade carbon steel and sandblasted for optimum strength and longevity. Comes in a sturdy, hard shell case with labeled slots to keep bits organized. MAKITA presenting this bit set that comes with 60 bits to meet various jobs to do. Every bit features precision machined chips, an optimized torsion zone, pulse torsion rings, and unique steel that combines to deliver improved overall performance. Pulse torsion rings helps to disperse impact energy through the torsion zone and off of the bit tip. All bits are designed to handle the high torque demands of professional users in all trades, lasting up to 90 times longer. The impactor technology offers an above-average service life, even under extreme circumstances, thanks to the best possible utilization of the material properties and the optimized geometry. These bits are suitable for use with customary impact drivers. It comes with a holder with ring magnet for simple holding of even longer and heavier screws that is ideal for overhead work. The rough diamond coating of the bits reduces the risk of a slipping out of the screw head. This set includes 8 shank impact bits. There are 4 Phillips and 4 slotted in a convenient plastic holder. Each bit is made of high-quality alloy steel that provides an exact fit for the fastener head. Most manual impact drivers only comes with 4 bits, so these are a great supplement to the sizes that are not included. If you are using a manual impact driver, then this is the one you need. Thanks for watching the video. Find the product link on description below. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification of our new video.